Hello friends, my name is Omkar Shavai and today date is 17th of November 2022 and today's our Viva topic is on the difference between constructors and methods. So let's begin. So basically the method is a block of code that have state of collection of statements that to be executed and it gives the return some value, and constructor is a special type of method which do not return value and which used to initialize the objects. So we see difference between the constructors and methods. So constructors name should be same as the class name, and method name can be anything. So in constructor does not return any value, and means it doesn't have return type, and in method name method return any value, it has any return type, and in constructors invoked implicitly by the system, and methods are invoked by the programmer. Constructors invoked at the time when we create a new object by using new keyword, and methods invoked by the programmer when we call the method a particular method. Then a constructor cannot be inherited by the subclasses, but we can methods can be inherited in the subclasses. uh, Constructors must can be any number of type, but does not have must do not have same parameters, and methods also have number of methods we can write in a particular program, but each method have this different parameters. And then next point is when constructor is when so and constructors are used to initialize the objects, and a method which is written in Java code, which returns or executed and returns some value. For example, if we have a class as class name as for example class Omkar is there, and we have to create a constructor. Then we create as public Omkar, and parentheses are there, and opening and closing curly braces is there. So this is a constructor and it has no return type, as you see. And if we create a method that is add method, then we should write as public void or public int. The means method have some return type, public int add, and we give some parameter in that parenthesis and opening and closing bracket. So if we do not declare any constructor in anywhere in a program, then compiler will add default constructor in our program. And if we mention any parameterized or constructor which has no parameters, then compiler will don't add a constructor in a program. So that's all from me. Thank you.